Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Costa Rica. Been waiting for this a long time. Each year we go on a family vacation, and this year it happens to be Costa Rica, and it involves dirt bikes. So super excited. It's with the family, gonna be a good time. We actually got all our gear loaded, so we have to bring all our own gear. So we got a stacked house full of gear bags. Even my dad got his gear. Gonna be a good time, but we're gonna gear up, load, and go to Vegas and get on the plane. Hopefully these things make it to our destination. Got a lot of gear in there. To Costa Rica, little change in scenery after a long day of traveling. We have finally made it. It was a long night. We're about to head up to our little resort Airbnb thing we got, and then we're getting on the bikes on Friday and Saturday and Monday, so it should be fun. Let her loose. Release the brakes. Hit the seat.
Dipshit.
That's to find out. Ready to ride some dirt bikes, Lloyd?
Yes, sir.
Father?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hurry up, let's go.
They got a bunch of KTMs up there. It's gonna be sick.
Didn't make that, bomber.
Oh, I'm gonna pull something.
Pull your pants up.
Dude, that was gnarly. We're going down now.
place is crazy.
Probably looks like fire. What are the odds we're in the middle of Costa Rica and we just stopped at a private motocross track? Dudes are training out here, it's insane. We've even got to do a lot of laps, so.
We'll put our desert tanks to the test.
Yeah, we're gearing back up and going out for Moto 2. This place is sick.
Private test track right here.
Get out of here. Yeah, hopefully we don't have to go up this. There's no way.
my goodness, you suck!
Washing our bikes off in the river. Oh! Clothesline. Hopefully there's no snakes. Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Oh! Rev limiters are never good.
You freaking idiot! You screwed me over!
wonder if Pops would have made that one.
Maybe, but he wouldn't have liked it.
I almost went over the bar.
Great.
Coming into that, I sat down and just...
The whole time. Great job, you guys.
That was gnarly.
For not for moto kids, you guys are ripping it up.
I'm
That's,
just not used to tree branches.
dude, they're slick too. They're like little banana traps.
Yeah, no, and with all the leaves, you can't really see.
Yeah.
them.
You're back in all the way over here in no time.
Yeah. But,
Oh, check it out.
I'm about to watch the pool out there. These bad boys on.
We're back home, checking into the office. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Costa Rica was by far the coolest experience, the most insane riding I think we've ever done. I hope to go back there again soon. The tour, everything, Costa Rica Unlimited was so rad and highly recommend it. So if you're ever looking to ride dirt bikes in Costa Rica, that's the place to go. Checking back into the Palmer compound. Got today's video all dialed in. And don't forget, we still got a lot of merch, all the designs. So we'll leave the link in description and go check them out.